Hey guys, DevyIT here, and today I'm going to talk about why I use Apple products. There are three main reasons I use Apple products. The first reason is the ecosystem. Now you may have heard about this before, but Apple does a good job integrating all their devices to work well with other Apple devices. Stuff like iCloud, Continuity, AirDrop, AirPlay, Sidecar, everything like that is made to work seamlessly with your iPhone, iPad, MacBook, AirPods, and Apple Watch. I'll be making a video explaining the Apple ecosystem in the future, so make sure to check it out. The second reason is reliability. Now I know the MacBook has keyboard issues, however most of the time, Apple devices are known to have better reliability than other devices. I remember getting blue screens of death occasionally when I used my Windows PC. I don't think I've ever had a system crash while using my MacBook Pro. The third reason is their software support. For example, the iPhone 6s is a product that came out in 2015. That's 5 years ago. However, this device has the latest version of iOS. Compare that to the Samsung Galaxy S7. This phone came out in 2016 and ended software support on 2019. Now you could say by that time, people would have upgraded by now. But I personally know of people who still use this phone, so I'm not so sure. That concludes this video. If you like this type of content, I'll be making more in the future, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.